Welcome to Lesson 4.1, Part 3, Minilab, Goods Receipt End-to-End, from SAP S/4HANA Cloud Supply Chain CS4CSC by KRTI Edu. In this practical lab, we'll simulate a complete goods receipt scenario, from purchase order creation to financial validation, directly in the S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition system. This lab consolidates all concepts from Parts 1 and 2 into a single business flow. Our objective is to execute and verify a real business process involving procurement, receipt, valuation, and reporting. By the end of this exercise, you'll know how to create a purchase order, post a goods receipt, validate accounting entries, perform reversals, and analyze reports in SAP Fiori. Each step mirrors what consultants and business users perform daily in real-world S/4HANA projects. Let's define our case parameters: company code 1010, plant 1010, storage location 0001, vendor S1000, and material RM1001 steel rod. We'll process a purchase order for 10 units at 500 each, simulate delivery, post a GR, validate valuation, and confirm FI postings. This workflow represents a standard procure-to-pay lifecycle. Step 1. Create purchase order. To start, open the Manage Purchase Orders app. Click Create Purchase Order and enter vendor S1000, material RM1001, quantity 10, price 500, and plant 110. Save your entry. The system generates a PO number, for example, 45,12345. This order will serve as the reference for our goods receipt. Always verify vendor, material, and plant data to avoid posting errors later. Step 2. Check stock before receipt. Open Display Material Stock Overview and search for material RM1001 in plant 1010. Record the current quantity and stock type. This pre-check helps you confirm that the GR will correctly increase the on-hand quantity once posted. Baseline validation is a key audit practice in every implementation. Step 3. Post goods receipt for PO. Launch post goods receipt for purchase order from the Fiori Launchpad. Enter the PO number, confirm delivery quantity, and provide the delivery note reference. If the material is batch managed, enter batch ID B2025. Set the stock type to unrestricted use. Finally, click Post. The system instantly creates a material document and an accounting document, confirming successful posting. Step 4. Verify material document. Open Display Material Document and enter the document number displayed after posting. Check movement type 101, plant 11, quantity 10, and storage location 0001. Review batch details if applicable. Click Follow on Documents to navigate to the linked accounting document. This verifies end-to-end posting traceability between MM and FI. Step 5. Review accounting entries. In the accounting document, observe two postings: a debit to the inventory account, BSX, for 5,000, and a credit to the GRIR clearing account, WRX, for 5,000. You can confirm this under Display Journal Entry, F709A. The system derives GL accounts from valuation class and transaction key mapping configured in CBC. No manual accounting intervention is required. It's fully automated. Step 6. Stock verification post-GR. Next, reopen the Material Stock Overview app. Stock for RM1001 in plant 1010 should now reflect a 10-unit increase. If quality inspection is active, the system may display the new quantity under inspection stock instead of unrestricted. This update occurs instantly, providing real-time visibility for supply and production planning. Step 7. Optional quality inspection check. If quality management is enabled, open Manage Inspection Lots. The GR automatically creates an inspection lot linked to the material document. You can record inspection results, make an acceptance decision, and upon release, the system automatically posts a stock transfer from quality inspection to unrestricted use using movement type 321. Step 8. Batch traceability test. Now let's verify traceability using the Batch Information Cockpit. Enter the batch number B225, and you'll see the GR document linked with any subsequent consumption or issue transactions. This batch-level traceability is critical in regulated industries such as pharmaceuticals, aerospace, and food processing. Step 9. Goods Receipt Reversal. To reverse an incorrect GR, open Cancel Material Document. Enter the document number and select Movement Type 102. Execute the reversal. The system automatically creates a reversal document, reducing stock and reversing accounting entries. Reversal links appear under Related Documents, maintaining full audit compliance. Step 10. Vendor return scenario. When goods are defective, create a return PO referencing the original PO. Post a return delivery using movement type 122. This reverses the inventory increase and credits the vendor account automatically. You can verify the transaction in Display Material document. Such returns are common during supplier non-conformance cases. Step 11. Reporting and Analytics. Navigate to Material Documents Overview, F1079. Filter for Plant 1010 and Movement Type 101. You'll see all GR postings along with user IDs, posting dates, and quantities. You can export this data to Excel for audit or performance reviews. Embedded Analytics continuously updates KPIs such as total receipt value and volume. System validation and testing. Always verify that document numbers in match with entries in FI. Cross-check stock ledgers and general ledger balances to ensure reconciliation. Use Analyze Log for material documents to detect update errors. Before migrating configuration to production, run at least 5 end-to-end posting tests with different materials and vendors. Troubleshooting tips. Common errors include deficit of PO quantity, missing valuation class, or unassigned batch or serial data. Another frequent issue is missing authorization for the inventory manager role. If such errors occur, review the log messages, correct the master data, and retry the posting. Thorough testing ensures seamless project go-live. Exam alignment. This lab aligns directly with Domain 3 of the CS4CSC certification, Inventory Management. You can expect scenario-based questions on movement types 101 and 102, GR/IR clearing logic, and reversal procedures. Practicing these labs builds the hands-on competence expected by SAP in both certification and consulting assignments. Key learning outcomes. You've now performed a complete goods receipt cycle, created a purchase order, posted the GR, verified accounting, performed a reversal, and analyzed reports. You also gained exposure to quality inspection, batch management, and traceability. This lab strengthens your command of SAP's end-to-end material movement and valuation processes. Congratulations on completing this goods receipt mini lab. You now have both theoretical understanding and practical execution experience. Next, we'll move to Lesson 4.2, Stock Types and Transfer Postings, where you'll learn how materials move between unrestricted, quality, blocked, and in-transit stock types across plants. KRTI Edu, learn, practice, certify, succeed.